Hello student, this video is for class 9th, Moments book, subject English, lesson is the last leaf. Through this poem, the author wanted to tell us how the ivy creeper or the last leaf of the ivy vine would be an inspiration for Johnsy, who has lost her hope to live a life, but the last leaf has gave her inspiration and she started living her life again. Let's read. It is autumn, the wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. It was the autumn season and the wind was blowing very fast and the rain was also very heavy. All the leaves on an ivy creeper is a plant, have fallen except one. In the autumn season the trees are shedding their leaves, same way the ivy creeper has also shed its leaf, but only one leaf was left. Why doesn't the last leaf fall, and why this last leaf hasn't fallen? This we will read in this lesson. Let's start. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. Two young artists meaning are painter. They both are the painter and they are living together in a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. Third story meaning is on the third floor of the old house. Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November and she was very ill. She had pneumonia, means a high fever. She would lie in her bed without moving, and she was lying on her bed without showing any movement, just gazing. Gazing meaning is looking out of the window. Sue, who was her friend, she became worried and she sent for meaning is called for the doctor. Although he came every day, although the doctor was coming every day, but there was no change in Johnsy's condition. One day the doctor took Sue aside meaning is at side, and asked her, is anything worrying Johnsy, means is any tension is there with Johnsy? Then Sue replied, no. But why are you asking? The doctor said, Johnsy, it seems, had made up her mind that she is not going to get well, means she has lost all her hope to live her life and to get well. And if she doesn't want to live, then the medicine will not help her and the medicine will not affect her, means they will not cure her disease. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. Sue had taken many things so that Johnsy could divert her mind and take interest in other things without thinking about her illness. She talked about clothes, fashion, but Johnsy did not respond meaning is gave reply. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room. Then Sue had taken her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started doing painting to take Johnsy's mind off her illness, to divert her mind. Even she whistled while working. Suddenly Sue heard Johnsy whisper. Whisper meaning is speaking in low sound, and Johnsy was speaking something in a low voice. She quickly rushed to bed. Then Sue immediately moved toward Johnsy's bed and heard Johnsy was counting backward. She was looking out of window and was saying 12. After some time she spoke 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Sue anxiously meaning is eagerly looked out of window, and Sue started seeing out of the window where Johnsy was looking. And what she saw out of the window, she saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall. Opposite their wall there was an ivy vine which has reached up to the wall which was opposite to the window of their room. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaf, and due to the strong wind the leaves of the ivy vine were falling. What is it, dear? Sue asked. Then Sue, when she saw out of the window and she saw that ivy vine is shedding its leaves, then she asked from Johnsy that what is it. Then Johnsy whispered 6. She again count backward. and she said they are falling faster now. And she said that the leaves had started falling faster. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now, but there are only 5 which are left on the tree. It is autumn, said Sue, and she gave the reason. Sue gave the reason that it is autumn month and the leaves would fall. When the last leaf falls, I'll die, said Johnsy. Then Johnsy said with the finality. Finality meaning is surety, that when the last leaf of the ivy vine would fall, then she would surely die. I have known this for the last 3 days, and she has get to know about this from the last 3 days. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. Then Sue said that it is a foolish thing. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well, and what is the relation with the relation of your life with these leaves? And doctor is confident that you will get better, and doctor has also told that you will get well soon. Johnsy didn't say anything, and Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. But Johnsy said, I don't want any soup. I am not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. And she said that before the night she wanted to see when the last leaf would fall, and then she would sleep forever, means she would die. Sue sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her and said, you are not going to die. Sue told her that she is not going to die, and she said, I can't draw the curtain, means she can't cover the window with the curtain. For meaning is because she needed the light for her painting, and she said she wanted to finish the painting and to earn some money for them. Please my dear friend, she begged Johnsy. Begged meaning is requested. She requested Johnsy to promise her not to look out of the window while she was painting. Then Johnsy would not see out from the window. All right, said Johnsy. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. And she told Johnsy to finish her painting as early as possible, because she wanted to see when the last leaf would fall. I am tired of waiting, because she became tired while waiting for the last leaf. She said she has to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. And she said that as those leaves are falling down, so let her also go away, or let her also die peacefully like these leaves. Try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old miner. Old miner meaning is a person who is digging mines. And to paint the old miner, she wanted to take Bearman as a model. Bearman was also a painter. He was an old man, and she said that for the old miner's painting, she wanted to take model of a Bearman. I'll call. So for this, she was going to call Bearman in Johnsy's room where she was painting. Sue rushed down. So Sue moved down to Bearman, who was living on the ground floor of the same building. He was 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. But it was still a dream because he didn't get any idea to paint a masterpiece. Sue poured out her worries, and Sue told everything about Johnsy's life to Bearman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell, and she also told Johnsy's idea that how she had prepared her mind that when the last leaf would fall, then she would also die. Is she stupid? Asked Bearman. How can she be so foolish? Then Sue said, she is running a high temperature. She is suffering from a high fever. She refused to eat or drink, and that worries me a lot. And even she has refused to eat and drink, and it is very worried thing for her. I'll come with you and see Johnsy, Bearman said. Then Bearman told that he would come and see how she is.